Hello guys, how are you everyone? I hope you all are doing well. I am Fauzia Fatma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fauzia Fatma Official. Today, once again, I am present here with the same topic which we covered in my previous session, such as phrasal verbs. In my previous video, we learned how to use phrasal verbs in your conversation. Okay? And how to apply it in your spoken English. Same as today, we will learn some more phrasal verbs. So let's start without any delay. So let's see the first one, back up. It's mean to support or defend someone. To support or defend someone. Okay. It's mean in Hindi किसी का समर्थन करना, डिफेंस करना. Okay. Let's see how to use it in sentence. Example, when the class was when the class was making fun of me, making fun of me, only the teacher, only the teacher, the teacher backed me up, backed me up. When the class was making fun of me, only the teacher backed me up. It's mean in हिंदी जब क्लास में मेरा मजाक उड़ाया जा रहा था तो केवल टीचर ने ही मेरा साथ दिया, बैकअप साथ दिया. The next one is call around, call around. Okay, it's mean to contact, to contact multiple people. To contact multiple people. It's mean in हिंदी अनेक लोगों से संपर्क करना, कांटेक्ट करना. Okay, let's see how to use it, this phrasal verb in sentence. Roy called around, called around to find a nearby mechanic, mechanic, mechanic. Okay, Roy called around to find a nearby mechanic. It's mean रॉय ने आसपास के मैकेनिक को खोजने के लिए कॉल किया. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज कॉल ऑफ, कॉल ऑफ. इट्स मीन To cancel a planned event. To cancel a planned event. Okay, it's mean in Hindi बनाए गए प्लान को बनाए गए प्लान योजना को रद्द करना, कैंसिल करना, बनाए गए योजना को रद्द करना. ओके, let's see the example. We called a party. We called a party of. Okay, we called a party of. It's mean हमने पार्टी का प्लान रद्द कर दिया. Okay, the next one is calm down. Calm down. Okay, it's mean to relax. To relax. After an energetic. It's mean to relax. To relax after an energetic. After an energetic. Energetic or irritated state. Irritated state. It's mean in Hindi चिड़चिड़ी अवस्था के बाद ऊर्जावान फील करना. इरिटेटेड स्टेट चिड़चिड़ी अवस्था के बाद एनर्जेटिक ऊर्जावान फील करना, महसूस करना. ओके, let's see the example sentence, how to use it. I need a few minutes to calm down after that match. After that match. I need a few minutes to calm down after that match. It's mean in Hindi इस मैच के बाद मुझे शांत होने के लिए कुछ मिनट चाहिए. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज cheer up. Cheer up. It's mean to make someone happy. Someone happy. Okay, cheer up. It's mean in हिंदी किसी को खुश करना. cheer up करना किसी को, to make someone happy किसी को खुश करना. Okay, let's see the example how to use it in sentence. Reading always cheers me up on a rainy day. Rainy days. Reading always cheers me up on a rainy days. It's mean in हिंदी बरसात के दिनों में पढ़ना हमेशा मुझे उत्साहित करता है, cheer up करता है. The next one is clean up. It's mean to tidy an area. Okay, it's mean किसी जगह को, किसी क्षेत्र को साफ सुथरा करना. किसी क्षेत्र को टाइडी, साफ सुथरा करना. Okay, let's see example how to use it. John cleaned up the living room. John cleaned up the living room. जॉन ने लिविंग रूम को साफ किया, लिविंग रूम की सफाई की. इट्स मीन इन हिंदी किसी की राय बदलना. किसी की राय बदलना. ओके, या नए दृष्टिकोण से देखना. सी अ न्यू पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. ओके, let's see the example how to use it in sentence. I never liked seafood but come around after trying fried fish. Okay, I never liked seafood but come around after trying fried fish. Okay, it's mean in हिंदी मुझे कभी समुद्री भोजन, सी फूड, समुद्री भोजन पसंद नहीं था, लेकिन फ्राइड फिश खाने के बाद मेरा मन बदल गया, मेरा विचार बदल गया. ओके. The last one is come up with. Come up with. It's mean to think of an idea. Of an idea. To think of an idea or produce. Produce a solution. 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 Okay. To think of an idea or produce a solution. It's mean in Hindi एक विचार के बारे में सोचना. To think of an idea. सोचना. और produce a solution. It's mean एक विचार के बारे में सोचना. Produce a solution. It's mean समाधान निकालना. Solution निकालना. Let's see how to use it in sentence. Sahar comes up with her best story ideas at night. Best story ideas at night. At night. So she writes them. She writes them. Okay. Them down before she forgets them. Before she forgets them. Okay. Shahar comes up with her best story ideas at night, so she writes them down before she forgets them. This mean in Hindi, शहर अपनी सबसे बेहतरीन कहानी के विचार रात में सोचती है. At night, इसलिए वह उन्हें लिख लेती है ताकि वह भूल न जाए. So she writes them down before she forgets them. भूलने से पहले वह उन्हें लिख लेती है. So it's all about my today's session. I'm sure you must have liked this session and you got well how to use phrasal verbs in English spoken. Okay. So it's all from my today's session. Definitely I am going to come with the next part of this video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye and see you soon in my next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.